O-Level IGCSE Computer Science.
For your information, in the case of computer science, the O-Level and IGCSE syllabus content, papers, and their style are the same. After studying number system, students should be able to understand how and why computers use binary to represent all forms of data, the conversion between different number systems, advantages of using hexadecimal number system, adding binary numbers and understanding the concept of overflow, perform a logical binary shift on positive integer, use 2's complement to represent positive and negative 8-bit binary integers. Computer is an electronic machine which takes input, processes it and produces output. Process means change. All computer understands only binary data. So internally, all process is happening in binary form. That's why computer is also called bi-state machine.
3 different number systems are decimal, binary, hexadecimal. The decimal ordinary number system has 0 to 9, 10 digits available to represent data, so its base or radix is 10. Its example may be any combination of 0 to 9 digits. A binary number system has only 2 digits 1 and 0. Its base is 2 and its example may be any combination of 1 and 0. The computer presents and processes data in binary form. Hexa system has 0 to 9 and A to F 16 digits available. Its base is 16 and its example may be any combination of these digits and letters. For example, 9AB. Please note, in hexa system, A is equal to 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. Now we are going to learn conversions. From binary to decimal, and binary to hexa, decimal to binary and decimal to hexa. At last, hexa to binary and hexa to decimal. We have divided it into 3 videos. In first video, we will learn binary to decimal and binary to hexa conversion. Let's check your memory by asking you a question. You have 10 seconds to answer the question. Question: what is the value of D in hexadecimal system?
The value of D in hexadecimal system is 13. Remember, hexadecimal includes alphabets also, but it is converted into its equivalent value when calculated and converted to another system. Let me ask you another question from the lesson. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Question: what is the meaning of process? The meaning of process is change, modification, or alteration. The computer process input into output.
Let's learn how to convert from binary to decimal. There are some steps you can follow to convert from binary to any other system. Step 1. Multiply each binary digit by its required base, that is 2 in this case, and add another number. Step 2. Start putting power on base number from right to left. Step 3. Simplify the expression. The result will be required decimal number. Let's see an example of how to convert 1101 of binary to decimal. First of all, multiply each binary digit by the required base and add it to the other. Then, starting from 0 onward, put the power on the base number from right to left. At the end, simplify the expression and get your required decimal number. Now, it is practice time. Pause the video and convert the following binary numbers into decimals if possible. For answers, kindly check the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now, we will see how to convert from hexadecimal to decimal system. The procedure to convert is similar as in case of binary to decimal. Let's see an example of how to convert a hexanumber 19A into decimal. Following the first step, multiply each digit with a required base, which is 16 in this case. Don't forget to convert any hexa alphabet into its equivalent value. Simplify the expression. The calculated result will be required decimal number. Now, it is practice time. Pause the video and convert the following hexadecimal numbers into decimal, if possible. For answers, kindly check the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.